What if your business rule runs after 7th record but does not slow the form at all? That magic is called async business rule in the ServiceNow. And today I will show you how it works using our Pharmacy app. Hello friends, welcome back to my ServiceNow business rule series. In previous videos, we learned before and after business rules. But there is one powerful type that works silently in the background without affecting user performance. That is async business rule. In this video, we will implement an async business rule in our pharmacy application where when total quantity exceeds the safe threshold, that's 20 tablets, the system will automatically log a warning and simulate a pharmacy alert in the background without delaying record save or user experience. You will clearly understand what is async business tool, why it runs in background, when we should use it, real-time pharmacy scenario implementation. Let's start. Hi, this is we developed the pharmacy app. Here we having the dispensed date and dispensed quantity, total quantity and doses per day, diagnosis, status, number of days, medicine price, and patient name, patient weight, patient age, body temperature, and these relevant fields. Here our requirement is interview question is simulate notification when total quantity is more than 20. So if total quantity exceeds 20 tablets or 20 capsules, log a simulated notification alert in background. So it will represent the pharmacy notification. How we can start? We can start with the business rules. Among them, which business rule is best? Total how many methods we can solve this issue? Here, client script is there, UI policy is there, data policy is there, before business rule option is there, after business rule is there, event plus notifications, flow designer, scheduled jobs, script actions, async business rules. Among we can discuss with each and every one which is best. Coming to the client script, it not be suitable for this concept because it will works on UI only, user interface only. It may be bypassable. So it will be rejected. UI policy, same, it will works on UI only. So no notification capability is there for UI policy. So it won't be suitable for this concept. And data policy. So data policy is used for the validation purpose only. And before business rule blocks save, but not for async notify. Notification purpose, we are not using before business rule. After business rule runs in transition, not good for notifications because it will need heavy logics. So it won't suitable for after business rule. Event and notification requires event trigger. Somewhat it's okay. And flow trigger also okay, but it will work slower as compared to before business rules. Schedule jobs, it's a not real-time scenario. And script actions, so needs event triggering first, then it will apply. Async business rule, it's the best option because it's a fast and safe and production compatible. Among them, async business rule is the best option and event plus notification is okay, somewhat okay. Flow designer is okay. Remaining options are not suitable. Among three, best option is async business rule because it's a production friendly and data compatibility. Let's start our topic with business rule. How can we start with business rule? Through system navigation or system definition. Then sys underscore script dot list. Or under system definition, we can use directly business rules. Enter. While clicking on it, it shows the new option. Click on new. While click on new, it's showing the name. The name should be compatible with our requirement. Our requirement is notification when total quantities, so bulk notification. Bulk quantity detected or bulk notification. Anyway, we can type. Then table is our pharmacy app. This is a custom app we built it. Pharmacy app. Click on advanced. While clicking on advanced, it's showing when to run highlight and advanced options will highlight. So as per our requirement, we are doing async business rule. Then order is 300. That's best way. because previously we created two more, 100 and 200. So in order to prevent these collisions of business rules, we are using different orders. That's the best practice only. Please follow that. And as per our requirement, while inserting this table, it will apply. That's why we are selected insert option. There is no need of update, delete, or query. Then click on advanced. It will show this like this code is there. The best practice, write the code. Then here first to name I'm writing as debugging. Before that, we can break the requirement into simple steps for easy guidance. Here, first step is start the business rules function. Defaultly, by system itself, is given a ready-made script. It will save us and prevents null errors and false alerts. Because quantity should be below 20. If above 20 tablets, it will notify to the system. Then writes information level system as an information message. It will run silently on the background. Just js.information like that message will come. Then clear message label as comment. So we need to give clear label to indicate the notification, and dynamically add patient's name. Dynamically means it will change the patient name according to the submit of the record, and add prescribed quantity for audit. For example, if we enter the 20 tablets, then it will notify the 20 tablets. Or we can enter the 30 tablets, it will enter as 30 tablets defaultly as from system. Let's start. Let's follow this style, this way. First start the business rule function. Then system itself automatically it will create the function. Then we are furtherly adding debugging concept. For debugging, gs.info. What info we are giving? Async. Business rule triggered. We are just giving as a debugging concept. Why? Because it will confirm the business rule is active or not. Business rule is running asynchronously. So it's very useful for the debugging concept, or interview demos and production verification. It's very useful line. The next step is prevents null errors and false errors. We can write by if, adding if condition. Sorry. If current, if not null error, it's a null. If not, current means current table. It will apply for the current table. Current at total quantity. So we need backend value of total quantity. Why we are now working with the total quantity only. Our requirement is total quantity, validating and total quantity. So that's why we are selecting the field value. Backend value field value is u underscore total underscore quantity. Then copy the field value and just paste here. Current dot total underscore quantity. Just format the line. If not, current dot u underscore total quantity is nil. It will prevent null errors. Nil. And what's the next option? Total quantity should be less than 20. If 20 is there, then it will notify to the system. Then we are using current dot. Once again, total underscore quantity. U underscore total underscore quantity we are given. Total quantity is more than 20. Is greater than 20. If it's more than 20, it will notify to the system. That's why we are giving 20, more than 20. Then curly brackets. Then what's the next step? As per our break the requirement in here, writes info level system logs. So we can give now info level message. Then system will think work as an info level message logic to bulk quantity log. So we are using gs.info. What info message will give? Bulk quantity detected equal to bulk medicine prescribed for patient. Just to copy this name. Like this info, it will come. That's meaningful info will come. plus we need to give patient name because it will add the patient name dynamically. So it makes logs meaningfully. That's why we are adding the current dot patient name. No, current dot patient name. How we can give? We can take the backend value of patient name. Then it will automatically dynamically add the patient name. Copy the field of patient name, then copy, and just paste it in the here current dot patient name. U underscore patient name. Plus what we need another quantity also need no. Dynamically add patient name and prescribed quantity for audit. So audit purpose we are giving prescribed quantity. Then we need to give quantity plus and quantity. Plus current dot, current means it will apply for the current table. Current dot total quantity. Total underscore quantity. You can copy this once again. Copy. And here paste in the total underscore quantity. Then close. Then format the code. Then it will align the line. Then submit. Then now just test with pharmacy app. This is the pharmacy app we created. Then just we enter the patient name. Patient name is Async Chittibabu. Async Chittibabu. Here we are using 40 tablets. 40 tablets. Just for remember purpose, we are using patient weight. We should select the 80. Patient is 38, and body temperature is 37, 97. Just to fill the mandatory fields. Sugar level is 200. Then just submit. And here tablet is 40 tablets. Then submit. Before submitting, just copy the number. Control C. Submit. The precautions field we need to fill as per we are already given Venus tool. Just now we'll check in the system logs. Enter the system logs. In system logs, all option you can do. Just to enter the 40 tablets. Yes. The notification is triggered here. Here bulk quantity detected, bulk medicine prescribed for patient, asynchronous Chitbabu 40 tablets. We already given as a name as async Chitbabu 40 tablets. So that's one, it came here. And it's once it crosses 20 tablets, it will give as a bulk message, bulk medicine prescribed for patient. Same we are given is here. If quantity exceeds safe threshold, 20 tablets. because 20 is the limit for safe, patient safe. If patient safe is overcoming that with tablets, then it will notify to the system. Like this way, we can do it very easily. And this is my YouTube channel. ServiceNow Learn Easy by Praveen Amne YouTube channel. It has a 100 video series business tools is there. Now the video is 65th video. I am covering various incident and custom map and pharmacy app creations and applying business tools with automation. Thank you guys. Wish you all the best.